ancêtres, marchons unis, marchons unis, dans nos rangs, point de traître, du sol, soyons seuls maîtres, marchons unis, marchons unis pour le pays, pour les ancêtres, marchons, marchons, marchons unis pour le pays, pour les ancêtres. May is Haitian Heritage Month in the United States, and May 18 is Haitian Flag Day. On that occasion, Haitians from all over the world need to reaffirm our coat of arms. L'union fait la force. I have seen l'union fait la force manifested in the movement Canal à Pape Campé. The peasants, the diaspora, Haitians from all over the world have come together and against all odds, they have achieved the impossible. They have built this canal. Now they are into phase 2. And this movement has inspired Haitians from all over the world, all over the island, that are now building canal, and it's a revitalization of the agriculture that was decimated for decades. Once again, my Haitian brothers and sisters and all our supporters from all over the world, l'union fait la force. We have to take action. We cannot depend on politicians because they had failed at their job. It's up to us. It's up to me. It's up to you. It's up to everybody. Let's make it happen. L'union fait la force.